Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Suri the Desi Coder. So guys, first of all we will understand what is SEO and how it works. So the full form of SEO is search engine optimization, and as you can see here it means the process of improving your site to increase visibility when people search for it. So what does this definition mean? Let me explain you with an example. On Google, when you search for any website like Facebook, so you can see here the first link is facebook.com, and after this you can see here you have Play Store link, you have Wikipedia link, and you have some other links as well. So that means the facebook.com has better SEO, that's why it is coming on top. Okay guys, now let's directly go to our editor and we will implement this. So guys, those who have not watched my previous video, please watch my previous video of Next.js series where I have covered Next.js application setup, app layout and routing. So please do watch those videos, and also guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not subscribed already. Okay, so first of all we will put some meta tags in our page. So in the index.js you can see we have meta tags here. So you can notice one meta tag here which is of description. But this is not the only meta tags we have to include. There are some other meta tags also. So I know one website which is metatags.io, and here you can generate your meta tags. So you can see the button here, generate meta tags. When you click on it, so it will generate all meta tags you need to include on your web page. So here you can enter the meta tag, image, title and description, and you can preview it over here. So this is how it will look on the Google, and this is how it look on Facebook and here on Twitter. You can also enable the channel here, and you can see how your website will appear on LinkedIn and Pinterest and on Slack. And from here you can modify your file. So for example, I have modified this image to this, so this is how my image will appear on Google, and you can see the others as well. You can modify title according to your app. So I'm changing it to my post app, and I'm just putting description as my post app's description. Okay, so this is how my website will look on Google and on LinkedIn, Facebook, and on all other places. Alright, so now I will generate my meta tags. Here you can see all meta tags are generated. You can just copy it and you can paste it over here. Let's remove these comments. Okay, so we have put all the meta tags here, but what we will do, we will not keep these meta tags over here. We will create one common component here, and we will move all the meta tags inside that. Even this the complete head tag, we will move this complete head tag inside that component. The reason of doing this is because at the moment we have these meta tags inside the index.js file, and index.js file is nothing but your home page. So when you view the page source of this page, you can see all the meta tags here, right? We have title, we have OG URL and everything. But when you go to the post page and view the page you view the page source, you can notice here you don't have all the meta tags you have put here. So what we will do, we will create one new component. Let's say next head. Create this component, and we will cut and paste this much of code over here. Alright, title is twice, let's remove the one, and import head over here. Alright, so we have all the meta tags, title and everything here. Now we will import this next head inside the underscore app.js, because your app.js is a wrapper of each and every component. So that's why we will put next head over here. Even instead of putting here, we can also put next head in our app layout file. So we can put next head over here also. So this will also work. So now if you check the page source, So you will get meta tags in both pages. So let's check for the home page. So you can see you have meta tags here. Close it, and now let's check for the post page. So we have meta tags over here as well, right? So that means this is working. So the meta tags are done. The next thing to check is whether our app content is coming on page source or not. So when you check the page source and when you search this content on your page source, so you can notice here this content is here. So everything you have on your web page, that content will you can see in your page source. But this is not the same with React, Angular or Vue.js application, which are not server side rendered. So what happens with those applications? Google cannot crawl the content because those type of applications don't have the content in the page source. They just have these starting tags like HTML body and the meta tags, and they have closing tags, and the middle content, which is the application content, they don't have that content over here. But with Next.js application, because your application is server side rendered, that means you have the content, your app content over here, and this thing is taken care by Next.js itself. You don't have to do anything for it. So whenever anyone search with this content on Google, so there is possibility that your app will appear on the top. So guys, that is all about how you can implement SEO in your Next.js application. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then press like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.